6 years ago, we started something special, a journey from seed to harvest, a way to reconnect with the land, to learn the plants that heal, and to experience what it truly means to grow your own medicine.
The Mayernik Kitchen Farm Apprenticeship is a 10-month hands-on program that takes you through an entire growing season, from planting your seeds starting in the winter to harvesting and seed saving in the fall. You'll grow more than 40 different medicinal plants, learning how to cultivate, harvest, and transform them into herbal preparations like tinctures, teas, and salves. It's not always easy. Some days it's muddy, some days it's hot, but every day it's rewarding. You'll walk away with real skills, lasting friendships, and a deep appreciation for the rhythm of the land.
Classes meet one Saturday each month, February through November, at one of our 2 New Jersey locations, North Haledon or Wantage.
With only 14 spots available, this intimate learning experience gives you space to grow, ask questions, and connect with others.
If you've ever wanted to learn how to grow medicinal herbs, to truly understand the journey from seed to harvest, this program is for you. Join us for the 2026 Mayernik Kitchen Farm Apprenticeship and grow alongside us. Registration now open. Spots are limited. Hope to see you there.